Today we are reading about Adelaide's crows. It will be an interesting story. My dad and I go to the foodie together. I drive to the entertainment center and then catch a tram. The tram is always crowded, but it doesn't cost anything. It's then a short walk to the Adelaide Oval. We sit on the first level. That means when the players hand out footballs to the crowd, I'm too far back to get one. When the players run into the ground, jets of steam shoot into the air. Patrick Dangerfield is my favorite player. He's a star on bowler and kicks amazing balls. It's great to have Taylor Walker as your captain. Everyone calls him Tex. He kicks a lot of goals. Rory Sloane is a champion midfielder. He won the Crows Best and Fairer in 2013. Eddie Betts came to the Crows from another club. He is a small forward who is very clever around the goals. Our young players are learning a lot from Eddie. But I admire Scott Thompson. He's a small but smart footballer who gets a lot of possessions also. See, Phil Walsh is our coach. Andrew McLeod is our famous fast player. He was selected in the All Australian team 5 times, the last time as captain. Last year, when the Crows played Collingwood at Adelaide Oval, the ground was packed. But the crowd was so noisy. When we win, it's great going home on the tram. Everyone talks to everyone else about how good we are. As our club song says, they are singing like this. We are the pride of South Australian. We are the proud of South Australian. They're thinking now, I hope we make the finals this year. Ha! Did you enjoy the lesson?